in Sunriver, Oregon, looking at this really beautiful home on Broken Top Lane in Sunriver. Really impressed with it, to be honest. It has a lot of different living spaces, outdoor living spaces, really great lot, manicured, grassed. You don't usually see this much grass around properties, so I think that's a huge bonus. Couple different decks. You have a jacuzzi. Okay, let's go inside. So this is a split level home. Really, really beautiful ceilings. Nice floors throughout the home. You really can't see the ceilings that well in the video, but really beautiful, tons of natural light. Also, because this house is a split level, you really sit up over the other houses and it kind of more into the trees, which is really gives it more of kind of a treehouse feel when you're looking out the windows. Really nice built-in here. Dining room, plenty of space. So kitchen, nice kitchen. I like that it is slightly separated just a little bit from the dining space. You have a little bit of privacy. However, it does have a good feel to it. So I do want to point out is that's the trail right there. And so it does kind of sit off the other houses. Okay, I do want to show you. So there is a porch here. Here's a porch as well. This house has multiple spots to hang out outside, which is really nice, well maintained. Let's take a look at the siding here. Really beautiful trees. So as I was saying earlier, there's a lot of nice grass here. A lot of these houses, they don't have that feature, which like these are cabins. So this has like a communal grass space, but this is your own yard, which feels really nice. Once again, I love the tall ceilings, tons of windows. I mean, anywhere they could put a window, they put a window, which is such a nice feature. Closet. So we have the master and we have a powder room. Okay, going into the master, which is on the main floor. Once again, really beautiful ceilings. Try to get the camera to focus. It's really beautiful views. There is a mountain view. There's a tree right there, but there is a mountain right there. Okay. Master bathroom. So we have a soaking tub. Once again, a beautiful picture window. Nice tile. We have tiled shower. We do have a pocket door right here if you need some privacy. Closet. You do have a window that opens if you want some fresh air. So one comment I will make is, this is decently original. However, it is very clean, which, makes a difference. Okay. Really beautiful. So let's go downstairs. Okay, downstairs. So we have 2 more bedrooms, laundry room, which is a nice laundry room. You have a sink. You have a lot of cabinets here with a nice window. That's actually a huge bonus. Get some fresh air. You have another closet, which is very deep. It goes underneath the stairs. So in this house, there's 2 bedrooms. The layout of these bedrooms are really fantastic. The reason is because we have a full bathroom here. Once again, original but very clean. And this bedroom is very nice. And once again, it has a pocket door and access to the bathroom. So in some way you have a junior master and beautiful windows. I know I sound like a broken record, but the natural light in this house is very nice. Carpet is in good condition as well. So this bedroom is a true junior master. This bedroom shares the bathroom. This bedroom has its own bathroom, and I'll show that to you. You know, like I said, this is original, but it's in really nice condition. So 3 bedrooms, but 1 master and essentially 2 junior masters. Okay, and then outside, through the garage here, 2-car garage, high ceilings. You could always put storage, get it off the floor if you wanted to. You have your exit door here, and you have another patio. So you have 2 patios, which are east and west facing, and then you have this covered patio as well. There is built-in drainage, which is fantastic, well thought out. They're just really beautiful, really maximizing the use of space. As you can see, it's covered. You know, this could always be storage too, kayak, bike storage, whatever you may need. So, you know, siding looks really nice. Paint looks good.